Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to write a sentence by using cursive writing. In this sentence, there will be all alphabets, character A to Z. So, this is last series of cursive writing, so be careful, okay? Okay, here we go. I'm going to start. A quick Quick, quick. Brown, BROWN, a quick brown. FOX, fox, a quick brown fox. JUMPED, jumped. OVER, over, jumped over. The THE, LAZY, lazy. DOGS, dogs. A quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. So you can see in this sentence there are all alphabets A to Z. So you can practice this sentence a lot of time so you can improve your cursive writing. I hope you have enjoyed my cursive series. See you in next video with next content. Tata. Take care.